What's going up, guys? Welcome back to Corolla Customs, and today we're gonna be doing a strut replacement with a lift kit kind of thing, a spacer to lift the truck up a little bit higher on a 2007 Dodge Ram. So stay tuned. First, I removed the cotter pin from the outer tie rod end. I then used vice grips to hold the stabilizer link and remove the nut with an 18mm socket. I use a 21mm socket on the outer tie rod end. The tie rod should not come off that easy. Using a 19mm wrench allows us to remove the upper control arm. Now we use a hammer to beat the knuckle till the upper control arm separates. We remove the 3 nuts holding the strut on. Now we remove the lower strut bolt. After playing around with the strut, we finally got it out. Alright guys, what's going on? So here are the new struts for the Dodge Ram, and we're gonna put some spacers on top to raise the ride height at least 2 inches. If you don't know what you're doing, it's okay, it comes with instructions, but I will show you how to put it together step by step so you can follow along with me. It also comes with these 2 little dowels. This is only if you're putting Monroe aftermarket struts in. If it's not Monroe, you don't need it. So if this is not Monroe, we're gonna throw that back in the box. So the first thing you wanna do is remove the 3 nuts that come off, that come with the strut mount. Put them off to the side. So we remove the 3 nuts. We're gonna put the strut to the side for now real quick. You also get some hardware. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use some of this hardware right now. It comes with 3 bolts. So first, what you wanna do is locate the parts that have the threadings. So we're gonna put the bolts through them right now and thread them in. This is gonna act as kind of like the strut mount bolts. It's an 8mm hex key, so we're gonna use that to turn them in. We're gonna use our ratchet. Alright, so now it's gonna look something like this. So now we bring back the strut. We're gonna place it on top. Line it up. It should just fall into place. There you go. Now it comes with washers, crunch washers, and nuts. So, let's not lose anything. So first you want to put in a washer, then you want to put in a crunch washer, and then put in the nut. But you also, before you install the nut, you want to put Loctite on it. So we're just going to put in the washers for now. So first the washer, then the crunch washer. Take some Loctite, I put medium strength. Let them go on the threads. And then you take the nuts and you put them on. It's a size 17. And then you install it like a regular strut, and then you put back on the 3 nuts on top. And that's basically it. Alrighty guys, I'm so sorry that I didn't get to show you the installation part and me putting everything back together. The camera ended up cutting off and something went wrong with it. In order to get the new strut with the 2-inch spacer in, you had to take off 2 little nuts, like just remove, not even remove, just loosen 2 little nuts on the control arm, the lower control arm. They're on the inside and you'll see them and the control arm will just drop. Then you have to have a second person with you to help wedge in the strut, and then have someone else hold up the control arm and then try to push the bolt through, and then you should be fine from there. The rest of, like, everything else is just the reverse order of taking it apart to just put it back together. Yeah, other than that, it wasn't that crazy. So I think anyone could really do it. It's not really that big of a deal. If you just take your time, have the patience, and get an extra set of hands to help, you'll be good. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment under this video and I'll be more than happy to help you. I'll try my best to help anyone out who needs to do it. But yeah, other than that, I thought it was fun. It was really cool. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, or leave a comment that you liked it. Also, if you're not a subscriber and you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification on top so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos. Guys, I really enjoy the fact that you guys watch me. I really appreciate it and I mean it to every single one of you. I'm not a big YouTuber yet. One day I will be. But like I said, I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. So thank you all for watching and sticking with me through the end. I appreciate it. Peace.